If you are planning to switch your career to a freelancer or virtual assistant, then creating your PayPal account is the first thing that you need to do. So ito ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon guys, how to create your PayPal account and get it verified. Hello guys! Once again, this is Leah and welcome to my channel! So for those of you guys who don't know PayPal yet, well, PayPal, it is an online payment system that is preferred to use by most of the clients. It is very convenient to use, the payment is secured, and it is the fastest way to send and receive money. So Leah, how does it work? So your client will ask for your PayPal email address. So this is the only information that you need to provide to your client. Then he can use his credit card or debit card to send the money easily aside from his PayPal funds. What are needed to create PayPal account? So first, you should have an active email address. So kung wala pa kayong email address, panoorin nyo tong video na to. Ito yung tutorial on how you can create your email address. You can use Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. So, panoorin nyo lang yan guys. And the other thing that you need to prepare is your GCash or bank account information. Bakit kailangan ng GCash or bank account? Kasi guys, once you have the money transferred to your PayPal account, paano mo siya mawi-withdraw? So, kaya kailangan mo GCash account and bank account. Kasi, ililink mo sila sa iyong PayPal account so that you can transfer the money from there to your bank account or to your GCash account. And when your client sent you the payment, you will receive an email from PayPal letting you know that the payment is already available to your PayPal balance. You will receive the email on the email address that you used to create your PayPal account. Pero kung ayaw mo namang withdrawin yung pera mo or ayaw mo siyang i-transfer sa bank account or GCash mo, you can use the money to go shop online. So you can use it to purchase some stuff on Amazon, on eBay, on Alibaba. If you are not directly hired by your client or you are working through UPWORK platform, then the options for you to withdraw the money or transfer the money from your UPWORK balance is to transfer that to your local bank account, and that will take up to 4 banking days before it will reflect on your bank account. And the other option is to transfer the money to your PayPal account. Pag nag-transfer ka ng money from UPWORK to your PayPal account, it will be transferred right away. Hindi tulad kapag sa local bank account, it will take up to 4 banking days. So, depende pa kung ano yung bankong ginagamit mo. On my next videos, yan naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo on how you'll be able to transfer your funds from your PayPal account to your bank or to your GCash account. And also, how long is the processing time and also the fees. So, kung gusto nyong malaman to guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-subscribe na kayo, i-hit nyo lang ang subscribe button, drop a like, and hit the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know the moment that I upload a new video. So, let's go guys to my computer so that I can walk you through on setting up or creating your PayPal account. Okay guys, so I will show you my screen now. Okay, so on your browser, anyway, you can also use your mobile phone or your laptop to create your PayPal account. Okay, so you have to type in PayPal sign up. Ayan, and then click sign up, create a PayPal account. So, this is what I was explaining to you a while ago, that there are 2 types of PayPal account, and that is personal and business account. So, I have already explained what personal account is, but business account is recommended for merchants who operate on their company or under a group name. But since we are a virtual assistant or freelancer, so we can just choose the personal account and then hit on next. Pwedeng ilagay dito ay both of the above. And then next. Okay, so you have to enter your mobile number. So, and then hit next. So, a verification code will be sent to your mobile. Okay, so okay, just fill out all the necessary information that is asking here. As what I told you, if you have already your email or existing email address, just type it in. And then your first name. So guys, hindi ko na siya i-hide or i-blur kasi ito naman ay dummy account lang. Your middle name and the last name. And then, create your own password. And then, hit on next. Okay, and then, enter your date of birth. So, ito ay hula-hula lang guys ha. And then, the type of ID that you have, it's either the national ID, passport, or driver's license. And then, the ID number. And then, enter the street name, house number, or subdivision. And then, barangay, municipality, and the zip code, and then the region. And then, you have to check these two boxes. And then, agree and create account. Okay. So, you can choose between the two. Okay guys, so pwede naman na wag nyo na lang i-select etong Go Shopping or yung Send Payments. Pwedeng i-back nyo na lang siya or i-close nyo na lang yung browser. Kasi automatic naman, meron na kayong created PayPal account. But if you would like to try, you could just select on Go Shopping and then you will be directed to a page where you have to enter your credit card details. And then if it's Send Payment, then all you need is just your email address. Kasi kahit naman hindi mo i-set up or i-link ngayon yung card mo or bank account, you can always go to the settings of your PayPal account at makikita mo dun yung option where you can link your bank account. Punta lang kayo sa PayPal, login. Ayan. Ayan, automatic nakalagin na pala. Okay, so for you to be able to link your bank account, you will see here bank and cards. So just click on link card or bank. Ayan, and then you can link your bank account. Just pwede rin credit card ha. It's either credit card or bank account. Ayan, just enter the bank name, the bank code, and the account number. Okay, so your bank code, guys, kung hindi nyo alam yung bank code nyo, halimbawa BPI, i-google nyo lang, BPI bank code. Ayan, lalabas na siya. So, ang BPI na code is etong, ayan. So, ikakopy mo lang at i-paste mo dito. Okay, and then just click on link your bank, and that's it. So, yun lang guys, ganun lang kabilis mag-create ng account and mag-link ng credit card or bank accounts to get your PayPal account verified. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ang PayPal account na meron ng nakalink na credit card or bank account. Okay, login ulit tayo. Ito yung makikita mo sa summary. Yung mga recent activity, tsaka yung PayPal balance. And then, kung gusto mong makita yung mga naka-link na bank account, punta ka lang sa account settings. And then, money, banks, and cards. Ayan. So, ito siya. May nakalink siyang BPI bank account. Pwede ka rin magdagdag pa kung gusto mo. Then, meron ding isa pang credit card na nakalink. Okay, so, ayan. Diyan mo siya makikita. Kung gusto nyong i-link yung inyong GCash sa inyong PayPal account to get it verified, so, you can go to your GCash application and then, i-click nyo yung 3 lines and and go to my link accounts. Ayan, and then select on PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address. And then, i-click mo lang yung link. Pero kung wala ka pa daw PayPal account, nakalagay dito, mag-create ka. Eh, since meron na tayo, just click on link or hit on link. Kung merong error na lumabas na this GCash wallet is already linked to my PayPal account, so, hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-link. Pero ganun lang guys, yung gagawin nyo. And then, kapag nakalink na yung account nyo, makaka-receive kayo ng email na yung inyong PayPal account is already verified. Okay guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And again, on my next coming vlog or video, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer ng pera from your PayPal account, itong PayPal balance na to, to your GCash or bank account or to transfer to your family and friends. So again guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell button. Bye guys!